Huge news from Boston Dynamics. The production-ready version of Atlas is here. At CES 2026, Boston Dynamics formally introduced the commercial Atlas humanoid, marking its first public stage appearance. And it was impressive. During the keynote, Atlas autonomously rose from a flat-on-the-ground position using a non-human joint-flipping maneuver. It showcased full rotational freedom of its joints before interacting with the audience. But here's the game-changer. Boston Dynamics announced a partnership with Google DeepMind to integrate Gemini Robotics AI. This enables Atlas to reason through complex instructions and operate in unstructured environments. Let me break down the specs. The new Atlas features 56 degrees of freedom, a 7.5-foot reach, and a 110-pound lifting capacity. It's built for continuous operation with a 4-hour battery that's hot-swappable for non-stop work. Boston Dynamics confirmed initial units will be deployed in 2026 at Hyundai's Metaplant in Georgia. That's right now. Atlas is officially transitioning from research platform to commercial workforce robot. This isn't a demo anymore. It's real deployment with paying customers. CES 2026 showed that humanoid robots didn't just pose for cameras this year, they actually worked. From factory floors to hospitals, companies showcased robots that are shipping, deployed, or scheduled for 2026 rollout. What made this different? Defined jobs, commercial customers, and production timelines. Not just impressive demos, actual business plans. Atlas competed with 9 other humanoid robots at CES, including Unitree's G1 doing martial arts, Fourier's GR3 playing chess, and others showing real capabilities. Boston Dynamics has been perfecting Atlas for over a decade. Now it's finally ready for prime time. The robot that amazed everyone with parkour videos, it's going to work. Industrial automation is about to change fast. Atlas can work continuously, doesn't need breaks, and can handle tasks that are dangerous or repetitive for humans. Want to compare Atlas with other industrial humanoids like Figure AI, Agility Robotics Digit, and Tesla Optimus? Head to MyRobot.shop. Complete specs, pricing, and deployment timelines. This is your robot update.